beds for bats and a dream to sell on a corner lot where the palm trees dwell. Tropical vibes at the porch out front. Open the door if you want what you want. Soaring ceilings calling your name. Plantation shutters frame the flame of sunlight, pouring like liquid gold. House for sale, make it your own. 7.5K, and it's more than a home. Call Kim Hawk, she's got the key. Dial 47808-9845, you'll see. 309 to 4 square feet of glow. Room to breathe where the breezes flow. Extra space for your life to bloom. This rare gem waits in Summerport's room. Every window whispers light. Every corner feels just right. It's not just a house, it's a way of life. House for